Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set your Slack notifications for your PC and also for your mobile. So all you have to do is simply click your account on the lower left hand side in Slack and go to preferences. And you'll be taken under the notification section. Now from here, you can choose whatever you want for your computer, right? So that could be that you want it to not receive any notifications or you want it for direct messages and mentions and so forth. And that could also be for all messages. So let's say on my computer, I want to receive all messages, right? So I'll leave it like that. But on my phone, I actually just want to receive direct messages, mentions, and keywords. So to change that, to make sure that the settings is different from your computer, on your phone, just simply check this box that says use different settings for my mobile device. And here you can click the drop down and simply choose the option that you want. Direct messages, mention, and keywords. And that's it. So on your mobile, it will be a total different settings comparing to what you have on your PC. And that's all that you have to do, guys.